If you are looking for a captivating mix of culture, tradition, supernatural elements, and family drama, Seven Doors is a must-watch, a 6-episode series. Directed, produced, and created by Femi Adebayo, this Yoruba epic thriller is now streaming on Netflix and features an all-star cast, including Femi Adebayo, Chioma Chikwuka, Gabriel Afolayan, Adebayo Salami, Jide Koshoko, Aliu Ghaffar and many others. Seven Doors tells the gripping story of a man, played by Femi Adebayo, who is unexpectedly summoned by men from his hometown to take up the mantle of kingship. Reluctant at first, he eventually accepts the position after much persuasion from his wife. However, neither he nor his family is prepared for the cultural obligations and spiritual sacrifices tied to the throne. As the story unfolds, we witness the devastating effects of the kingship on the king and his family, unraveling a tale of heartbreak, tragedy, and the consequences of generational actions. From the influence of the wicked deity Esusu to the chilling rituals and traditions that come with the throne, Seven Doors dives deep into the complexities of heritage, power, and sacrifice. The characters and performances. Femi Adebayo delivers an emotional and grounded performance as a man caught between his love for his family and the heavy burden of kingship. His portrayal of a devoted father and husband who slowly succumbs to the sorrow brought by his position is both touching and haunting. Chioma Chikwuka steals the show with her raw and powerful performance as the king's wife. Her character's emotional journey is the heart of the series, and Chioma embodies it with incredible depth. She makes every moment count, whether she's expressing love, fear, or anguish, and her ability to draw viewer into her world is unmatched. Esusu, the wicked deity, is another highlight of the series. The costume, makeup, and overall portrayal of this malevolent small god was so intense and realistic that it sent chills down my spine. The supporting cast, including Gabriel Afolayan, Adebayo Salami, Jide Koshoko, and Aliu Ghaffar, all brought their A-game. Their performances added richness to the story, making it an ensemble effort worth applauding. What I loved. 1. The opening scene. Right from the first scene, Seven Doors grabs your attention. Watching 7 women jump to their deaths was both eerie and intriguing, setting the tone for the supernatural and suspenseful themes of the series. 2. The storytelling. The storytelling is simple yet powerful, using one family's tragedy to explore themes of generational consequences, tradition, and loss. The series is fast-paced but still finds room for emotionally charged moments that hit hard. 3. Cultural and traditional depth. The dedication to showcasing Yoruba culture and tradition is phenomenal. From the rituals and incantations to the Ifa practices, everything felt so authentic that it often felt like peeking into a world I wasn't supposed to see. The blend of Yoruba and Igbo culture made it a beautiful art. 4. Attention to detail. The series shines in its attention to detail, from the grand palace and intricate home decor to the authentic costumes and makeup. Esusu's look in the final battle, for instance, was both terrifying and unforgettable. 5. Cinematography and visual effects. The cinematography captures the essence of the story beautifully, with stunning visuals that enhance the drama. The transformation of statues into humans was a standout moment that showcased the improvement of visual effects in Nigerian cinema. Seven Doors dives into heavy themes like loyalty, corruption, greed, love, loss, and inter-tribal marriage. The fusion of Yoruba and Igbo cultures was seamlessly done, highlighting unity without overshadowing individuality. Chioma's portrayal of Queen Amaka deserves special mention. Her ability to convey deep emotions without being overdramatic made her performance a standout. What could have been better? While Seven Doors delivers on many fronts, a few aspects could have been tightened. 1. Prince Adeoye's subplot. Prince Adeoye was a solid character, but his backstory and motivations felt underdeveloped. Despite being positioned as an antagonist, his actions lacked direct confrontation or interaction with the king. This created a disconnect between his character's ambitions and the main storyline. 2. Loose ends in subplots. Some subplots felt incomplete or rushed. With such a rich narrative, a bit more time spent fleshing out these elements could have added even more depth. Seven Doors is a bold, culturally rich series that successfully combines supernatural elements with human drama. It's a thrilling exploration of tradition and the burdens it places on individuals and families. The stellar performances, especially from Chioma Chikuka and Femi Adebayo, make this series unforgettable. Despite a few minor flaws, Seven Doors is a remarkable achievement in Nigerian cinema and a must-watch for lovers of epic thrillers and culturally immersive stories. I rate it a strong 9 over 10. Have you seen Seven Doors? What are your thoughts? Share them in the comments, and let's discuss this masterpiece. Thank you.